Day 11. Bracelet, bracelet.
팔찌. He gave his wife a sapphire bracelet as a birthday present.
Forecast, forecast.
예보하다, 예측하다, 예상, 예보. The Korean economy is forecasted to grow 5% this year.
Childhood, childhood.
어린 시절. His son reminded him of his own childhood.
Describe, describe.
서술하다, 묘사하다. The victim described how he had been attacked.
Fund, fund.
기금, 자금, 자금을 대다. The foundation is trying to establish a fund for the poor.
Fingerprint, fingerprint.
지문. The detective recovered a fingerprint from the crime scene.
Entrance, entrance.
출입구, 입장. They could not find the entrance to the building.
Insurance, insurance.
보험. All drivers are required to buy an insurance policy.
Allowance, allowance.
허용, 허가, 용돈. Baggage allowance for this flight is 20 kilograms.
Scarce, scarce.
부족한, 드문. 1/3 of the world's population lives where water is scarce.
Wealthy, wealthy.
부유한. Wealthy nations should assist other nations.
Sauce, sauce.
소스. 무엇에 소스를 치다. Could you give me some hot sauce, please?
Get along with, get along with.
누구와 사이좋게 지내다. How can we get along with people from other countries?
Stand for, stand for.
상징하다, 나타내다, 의미하다. ROK stands for Republic of Korea.
Come into effect, come into effect.
효력을 나타내다. New rules for visa application come into effect today.
Day 12. Percussion, percussion.
타악기. He is a famous percussion player.
Storage, storage.
저장, 저장 공간. Is there enough storage space left for my bicycle?
Involve, involve.
포함하다, 연루시키다. Be very careful because this investment involves a big risk.
Shortage, shortage.
부족, 결핍. Water shortage is the biggest problem in Mongolia.
Stomach ache, stomach ache.
복통. He could not go to work because of a stomach ache.
Assemble, assemble.
모으다, 조립하다. She assembled a team of experts for the project.
Rectangle, rectangle.
직사각형. In this chapter, you will learn how to draw a certain type of rectangle.
Pile, pile.
더미, 다수, 쌓다. He has a pile of debts to repay.
Principle, principle.
원리, 원칙, 신념. She will never lie because it is against her principles.
Cattle, cattle.
소. He moved his cattle to the ranch.
Detect, detect.
발견하다, 감지하다, 수색하다. Radar detected a hostile aircraft.
Autograph, autograph.
서명, 자필.
Can I have your autograph?
Open one's heart. Open one's heart.
마음을 터놓다.
Open your heart and listen to her.
Top with. Top with.
무엇으로 덮다.
Mount Everest is topped with permanent snow.
Be addicted to. Be addicted to.
무엇에 중독되다.
These days, teens are addicted to their cell phones.
Day 13. Awesome. Awesome.
아주 멋진, 굉장한, 무시무시한.
You look awesome in that suit.
Extreme. Extreme.
극도의, 과격한.
We test our product under extreme conditions.
Gradual. Gradual.
점진적인.
The rise in emissions of greenhouse gases is causing a gradual change in the global climate.
Shuttle. Shuttle.
정기 왕복 버스. 오가다.
This hotel provides a shuttle service to the airport.
Eco-friendly. Eco-friendly.
환경 친화적인.
Solar power is an eco-friendly alternative to fossil fuel.
Publish. Publish.
출판하다, 발표하다.
She published a new novel today.
Define. Define.
정의하다.
The meaning of the word is defined in this book.
Entry. Entry.
입장, 입구, 참가자, 등록.
Everybody is waiting for her entry.
Sincere. Sincere.
진실한, 진심의.
Please accept my sincere apology.
Mixture. Mixture.
혼합물, 혼합.
You need a mixture of egg yolks and butter to make this bun.
Chase. Chase.
뒤쫓다, 추적하다, 추적.
Cats are chasing a rat.
Soul. Soul.
영혼, 정신.
Soul is the essence of a human being.
Be under arrest. Be under arrest.
체포되다.
The robber was under arrest on the spot.
Fall asleep. Fall asleep.
잠들다.
He was so tired that he fell asleep in the theater.
Be surprised at. Be surprised at.
무엇에 놀라다.
I was surprised at your courage.
Day 14. Purchase. Purchase.
구입하다, 획득하다, 구입, 구매.
After the presentation, they decided to purchase our product.
Reuse. Reuse.
재사용하다, 재사용.
You should reuse plastic bags to protect the environment.
Lung. Lung.
폐,
He had to have half of his lung removed because of cancer.
Shortcut. Shortcut.
지름길.
Let's take a shortcut to save time.
Cultivate. Cultivate.
경작하다, 일구다.
The slaves were forced to cultivate a remote wasteland.
Satellite. Satellite.
인공위성.
This navigation system uses satellite technology.
Detective. Detective.
형사, 탐정.
She was the first woman to work as a police detective.
Potential. Potential.
가능성, 잠재력. 잠재력이 있는, 가능성이 있는.
My mission as a coach is to help people discover their potential.
Sensitive. Sensitive.
민감한, 감수성이 예민한.
She is very sensitive about her weight.
Oxygen. Oxygen.
산소,
Many living organisms need oxygen in order to live.
Tow. Tow.
잡아당기다, 견인차, 예인선.
Can you send a tow truck right now?
Separate. Separate.
분리된, 별개의.
Separate. Separate.
분리하다.
There are 4 separate religions in China.
Drop by. Drop by.
잠시 들르다.
Please feel free to drop by my place anytime.
Hurry up. Hurry up.
서두르다.
There isn't much time. Hurry up.
Make great progress. Make great progress.
상당한 진전을 이루다.
The scientists made great progress in discovering a new medicine.
Day 15. Bucket. Bucket.
양동이.
This plastic bucket is light but strong.
Log. Log.
통나무. 기록. 베어내다. 일지를 쓰다.
He built a log cabin in the woods.
Anniversary. Anniversary.
기념일. 해마다의.
Tomorrow is my parents' 25th wedding anniversary.
Sigh. Sigh.
한숨. 탄식. 한숨 쉬다. 한탄하다.
We all breathed a sigh of relief after the contest.
Warmth. Warmth.
온기. 따뜻함.
She felt the warmth of his breath.
Usual. Usual.
평상시에. 흔한.
She scored high points as usual.
Distract. Distract.
마음, 주의를 흐트러뜨리다. 전환시키다.
He always distracts me.
Refresh. Refresh.
새롭게 하다. 생기를 되찾게 하다.
He refreshed his memory by looking at the pictures.
Nutrition. Nutrition.
영양소. 영양.
Proper nutrition in childhood is very important.
Paragraph. Paragraph.
단락. 짧은 기사.
The first paragraph sums up the whole story.
Fourth. Fourth.
앞으로. 밖으로. 이후.
Move your head back and forth.
Essential. Essential.
필수적인. 근본적인.
It is essential that you trust your partner.
Knock down. Knock down.
넘어뜨리다. 차가. 무엇을 치다.
He was almost knocked down by a car.
Wait in hope. Wait in hope.
희망을 가지고 기다리다.
His family was waiting in hope.
Smile from ear to ear. Smile from ear to ear.
한박 웃음을 웃다.
He was smiling from ear to ear because she had accepted his proposal.
Day 16. Possession. Possession.
소유. 재산.
He is a man with many possessions.
Rural. Rural.
시골에, 전원에.
She is enjoying the rural life.
frighten, frighten,
놀라게 하다, 기겁하다.
This movie frightens young children.
endless, endless,
끝이 없는.
Amy and Tim started an endless fight.
rival, rival,
경쟁자, 적수, 경쟁하다. 무엇과 맞먹다.
Your rival can help you succeed.
exhaust, exhaust,
다 써버리다. 기진맥진해지다.
I have exhausted myself swimming.
moreover, moreover,
게다가, 또한.
Moreover, I am tired enough now.
detail, 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 detail,
세부, 항목, 사소한 일. 자세히 서술하다.
Please tell me the detail right now.
fossil, fossil,
화석, 화석에, 화석이 된.
Those are the fossils of dinosaurs.
recover, recover,
회복하다, 낫다, 되찾다.
She recovered from the disease eventually.
slam, slam,
문을 탕 닫다, 털썩 내려놓다.
His sister slammed the door when she ran to her room.
boost, boost,
밀어올리다, 후원하다. 밀어올림, 후원.
People in the village are boosting the mayor.
burst into tears, burst into tears,
울음을 터뜨리다.
She burst into tears before saying goodbye.
pull up, pull up,
끌어올리다.
We pulled the net up to catch fish.
think on one's feet, think on one's feet,
순간적으로 판단하다.
My teacher didn't hesitate and thought on his feet.
Day 17. Worm, worm,
벌레.
We can see many worms after the rain.
insist, insist,
주장하다, 우기다, 강요하다.
He insisted that we were completely wrong.
ripe, ripe,
곡식, 과일이, 익은, 숙성된.
James went to the supermarket to buy some ripe fruit.
citizen, citizen,
시민, 국민, 주민, 일반인.
I am a citizen of the Republic of Korea.
addict, addict,
무엇에 빠지게 하다, 중독되게 하다.
addict, addict,
중독자, 열광하는 사람.
He has been addicted to the internet for 3 years.
passion, passion,
열정, 울화.
Try to have a great passion for your job.
interpret, interpret,
통역하다, 해석하다, 이해하다.
She is very good at interpreting English into Korean.
tidy, tidy,
단정한, 꽤 많은.
I notice that Nicole always looks tidy.
drain, drain,
배수하다, 배수, 하수구.
Make a hole to drain the water away.
conclusion, conclusion,
결말, 결론, 결정.
The conclusion of the story was very sad.
stationary, stationary,
움직이지 않는, 정지한, 주둔한.
The temperature of the greenhouse was stationary.
onto, onto,
무엇의 위로.
The lady stepped onto the platform.
Go with. Go with.
무엇과 어울리다.
That blue shirt goes well with all your pants.
Tie together. Tie together.
서로 묶다.
Please tie both strings together.
Stand in line. Stand in line.
줄을 서다.
I stood in line to buy the new book.
Day 18. Trap. Trap.
덫으로 잡다. 속이다. 덫. 함정. 속임수.
The mouse was trapped in a box with cheese.
Make up. Make up.
화장. 꾸밈.
Actresses always put on heavy makeup.
Detergent. Detergent.
세제. 깨끗하게 하는.
Put in a little detergent when you do the laundry.
Danger. Danger.
위험.
Don't put yourself in danger.
Alter. Alter.
바꾸다. 개조하다.
That house was altered into a store last month.
Incident. Incident.
사건. 흔히 있는. 일어나기 쉬운.
Those are just the common incidents of daily life.
Variety. Variety.
종류. 변화. 다양성.
This book covers a variety of topics.
Expert. Expert.
전문가. 달인. 숙달된. 전문가의.
She is known as an expert in mathematics.
Leftover. Leftover.
남은 음식. 나머지. 먹다 남은.
These are the leftovers from my birthday party.
Choir. Choir.
합창단. 성가대.
The choir practices every Monday.
Fur. Fur.
부드러운 털. 모피. 모피에.
This fur coat is the most expensive one in this shop.
Crisis. Crisis.
위기. 중대한 단계.
Korea has overcome the economic crisis.
Sit up straight. Sit up straight.
똑바로 앉다.
You should sit up straight and concentrate.
Keep track of. Keep track of.
무엇의 흔적을 더듬다. 무엇을 계속 알고 있다.
I always keep track of expenses.
No longer. No longer.
더 이상 무엇 않다.
I no longer wait for a reply from her.
Day 19. Windy. Windy.
바람이 센. 바람 부는.
She arrived home on a windy day.
Progress. Progress.
전진. 진척. 경과.
He showed no progress at all until now.
Religious. Religious.
종교상해. 종교적인.
That lady is a deeply religious person.
Servant. Servant.
고용인. 하인.
The servant was true to his employer.
Survey. Survey.
조사. 계관.
Survey. Survey.
조사하다. 검사하다.
The survey needs to be done by this week.
Intellect. Intellect.
지성. 이해력.
Mr. Smith is respected by many students because he has a keen intellect.
Copyright. Copyright.
저작권. 판권.
I own the copyright to this book.
fantasy, fantasy.
상상, 환상.
Alice in Wonderland is a novel about a fantasy world.
Orbit, orbit.
궤도, 궤도를 그리며 돌다.
A satellite left its orbit 2 days ago.
Debt, debt.
빚, 채무, 신세, 은혜.
He asked me to repay my debt at once.
Laboratory, laboratory.
실험실.
The scientist was doing experiments in the laboratory.
Profit, profit.
이익, 이익을 얻다.
The owner of the company made a large profit last year.
Eat up, eat up.
무엇을 먹어 없애다.
He ate up all the bagels in the refrigerator.
Cannot afford to, cannot afford to.
무엇할 여유가 없다.
She couldn't afford to move to a new place.
Come one's way, come one's way.
일이 닥치다. 무엇의 수중에 떨어지다.
I solved the problems that came my way.
Day 20. Comment, comment.
논평, 해설, 비평하다, 해설하다.
Let's read the comment at the bottom.
Efficient, efficient.
효과적인, 유능한.
Try to use energy in efficient ways.
Spicy, spicy.
양념 맛이 강한, 짜릿한.
This food is too spicy for me.
Concept, concept.
개념, 발상.
I don't understand the concept of this advertisement.
Delay, delay.
미루다, 지체하게 하다. 지연, 유예.
The flight was delayed due to heavy snow.
Digest, digest. Digest, digest.
소화하다, 잘 이해하다.
Digest, digest.
소화, 요약.
That pill will help you digest well.
Pebble, pebble.
조약돌, 자갈.
Pebble Beach in California is very famous.
Overflow, overflow.
넘치다, 범람시키다.
Overflow, overflow.
범람, 과잉.
This river once overflowed due to a typhoon.
Admit, admit.
받아들이다, 인정하다, 허락하다.
We need to admit the situation is difficult.
Salty, salty.
소금기 있는, 짠.
Don't make the French fries too salty.
Disturb, disturb.
방해하다, 혼란시키다.
I am sorry to disturb you late at night.
Chemistry, chemistry.
화학, 화학작용, 공감대.
My favorite subject is chemistry.
Pop out, pop out.
눈이 튀어나오다.
I was so surprised that my eyes almost popped out.
Bring into, bring into.
무엇을 무엇으로 가져오다.
Don't bring the ball into the classroom.
Think ahead, think ahead.
앞서 생각하다.
I had to think ahead before I started.